Welcome guys. In this video we'll take a look at the file tab of PowerPoint. So if I just click on this file tab, it will move us to another screen. Now the first option here you will see is info. Now in info, first of all you will see the basic properties of your file like file size, slides, how many slides in the file, hidden slides, title, okay, tags, category. Okay, you'll find all the properties here. After that, here you'll see the protection presentation. Okay, in order to protect your presentation you can use this option. If I just click here, it will give us four options. The first one is mark as final, the second one is encrypt with password, third one is restrict access, the fourth one is add a digital signature. Now if I just click on this first one, it will not let me to edit anything in the file. Okay, it will only allow me to read from the file. It will not allow me to edit or write anything in our file. So if I just click on as mark final, okay, now if your project is final, you have done all the editing in your presentation, you can use this option, otherwise don't use this. Okay, now just click on OK. Now here it will ask me that this document has been marked as final. Okay, so if I just click on OK, here you will see all the editing option has been removed from here and it is saying marked as final. And if you want to edit it anyway, just click on edit anyway. Now this feature is very important if you don't want to delete anything accidentally or do any editing accidentally to your presentation. Okay, if you just click on edit anyway, you'll find all the option again. The next option here you'll see is encrypt with password. Now if I just click on encrypt with password, we can add encryption to our presentation. Okay, here we have to add our password. Now in order to open this file, a person have to enter this password. Okay, then they will be able to open the file. Once done, just click on save. Okay, now you can close your file. Now before that, I will open a new file. Okay, and I'll close this one. Now here again, if I just go and I try to open this file, here you will see it will ask me to enter the password, and if I just enter wrong password, it will not let me to enter into the file. So in order to enter the file, we have to add a correct password, and if I just add correct password, click on OK, you can see we can open our file. After that, the next option here you will see is restrict access. Grant people access will removing their ability to edit copy. You can do that here, or you can also add your digital signature. The next thing here you see, you can inspect your presentation. If I just check for issues, you can inspect your document, you can check accessibility, you can check compatibility. Okay, if I just click on inspect documents, okay, it will check all this inspection like comment and annotations, document properties and personal information, content, add-ins, task pane and add-ins. If I just click on inspect, it will inspect all this stuff here and it will tell me that we have to do this thing. Okay, you can just remove this, and if all the things are okay, you can just close this, or you can re-inspect also. Okay, once you have done, just close this. The next thing here you see is check accessibility. Okay, if I just click on check accessibility, here it will show me all the accessibility which user will find hard to read. Okay, so you can change that stuff from here. The next thing here you will see is check compatibility. This will check the compatibility of this presentation, whether it will compatible with other PowerPoint version or not. Okay, so if you want to check, just click this, it will check it for you. Okay, the following feature in this presentation are not supported by earlier version of PowerPoint. So okay, so that's fine for me, so just click on OK. The last option here you'll see is manage presentation. Now using this manage presentation, you can recover your unsafe presentation. Okay, just click on recover unsafe presentation and it will recover your unsafe presentation. The next option here you'll see is new. Now using this new, you can create a new presentation. Here you'll find lots of pre-built templates, or you can just start from blank presentation. After that, you can open any existing file, or you can save this file, and you can change the name of this. If you click on save as, you can change the name of your saved file. Other thing, you can print out your file. Okay, now make sure your printer is connected to your PC. Just select your printer, you'll find the name of your printer here. Right now I don't have any printer. You can just print out. You can select how many copy you want. Okay, print all slides. You'll find all this option like colored. You can print it out in grayscale. Other than that, you can share your presentation, okay, with other people. You can share through email. You can share through present online. You can publish your slide, or you can save your file in cloud. Other thing, if I just click on export, I can convert my file into PDF file. I can create a video. Okay, if I just click on create a video, we can easily create the video of our presentation. Okay, if I just click here, we can also select the spent on each slide. Okay, if you can decrease this is in second. Other than that, you don't use recording time and narration, or you can add your own recording and stuff that like that. Okay, you can select your presentation quality. Okay, you just click on create video, it will create a video. Or you can package presentation for CDs. Okay, make sure you have entered any CD in the DVD writer. Okay, you can also create your handouts or change file type. You can change the type of your file. Okay, you can change it to open document, presentation, template. Okay, all this stuff here. Other than that, if you just click on close, it will close the current presentation. After that, you'll find your account setting, and the last option here you will see is options. If I just click on this option, it will give me some options. The first one is general setting. Now here in general setting, you can hide your toolbar, mini toolbar. You can enable live preview or disable. If I just uncheck this, now my live preview will be disabled. Other thing, you can screen type style. Okay, you can just show feature describing screen, or you don't show screen tips. Okay, other thing here, you'll find personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. You'll find all the option here. If I just click on proofing, here you will see what kind of thing you want to ignore words in uppercase, ignore words that contain numbers. Okay, you can find all this stuff here. Now don't play with this stuff that much. After that, we can move to this quick access toolbar. Now here in quick access toolbar, we can add stuff to our quick access toolbar. Okay, now this one is our quick access toolbar. Now if you want to add some things to your quick access toolbar, for example, if I want to add this font color, I'll just select this and click on add. Now it will add in our quick access toolbar. Here you can see it will add this stuff in our quick access toolbar. Okay, we can change the color from here also. And if you want to remove this, again go to file, option, quick access toolbar, select this and remove this. You'll find most of the option here, and if you don't find the setting option or feature here, then just click on popular commands, and here you can just select all commands. Now here you'll find all the commands available in PowerPoint. Okay, once you have done, just click on OK. Other than that, again, if I just go to option, here you will see you can customize your ribbon. Okay, you can add stuff to your ribbon. Okay, again you'll find all the commands here also. Once you have done, just click on OK. Now that's all about file and its feature in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.